Advanced machining methods (NC, CNC, DNC) to eliminate the limitations associated with conventional machining operation. Next process developed is called advanced machining methods. First, NC numerically controlled machine, a compiler or ALU arithmetic logic unit. TRS tape reader system input, manual control input, CPU or MCU, FBD input, ECE electrical circuit encoder, electrical pulses, drive unit, motor output, lead screw. This is the setup. When each and every axis movement is controlled by numbers or numericals, it is called as numerically controlled machine tool. NC machine has following important parts: CPU, drive unit, FBD, manual control, TRS. Definition: pitch, linear distance between any two consecutive points, crest or trough on a thread is called pitch. Lead, linear distance traveled by net in one complete rotation of lead screw is called lead. Lead is equal to N into P, N number of studs or threads, P pitch. CPU, central processing unit, or MCU, machine control unit. CPU acts like brain of a machine which receives input information from all input devices available, analyzes the data and generates required electrical pulses to control the machining operation. ALU, arithmetic logic unit, or compilers. These are used to convert high-level language to decimal system of information into low-level language of binary system of information. Encoders are used to control number of electric pulses generated. And drive unit, output device. A device is required for converting electrical energy into mechanical rotational energy, and therefore best available device is an electric motor which is used in a NC machine. Types of motors: induction motor, it rotates with a constant RPM when electrical energy is given, and therefore feed rate of work table tool also remains constant, and varieties of machining operation cannot be performed. Hence, induction motor is never used as a motor in NC machine. Feed rate is equal to RPM into lead. Rate is equal to RPM into lead. RPM into lead is equal to N into P. Stepper motor, the RPM of stepper motor can be changed by changing input electrical pulses. One complete rotation of a motor is divided into number of steps. Let x degrees is equal to step angle is equal to 18 degrees. Number of steps per revolution is equal to 360 by 1.8. I think this is 1.8 degrees is equal to 200 steps, but accuracy of a stepper motor is less. Servo motor, it works on same principle as that of stepper motor, but in addition it has quick action braking system which allows the motor to stop exactly after required number of rotations. Hence, accuracy of machining is very high. In NC machine, a stepper motor is used, whereas in a CNC machine servo motor is used. In designation of drive unit, let that specification on a lead screw is N is equal to 1, P is equal to, okay. Suppose 150 electric pulses are required to complete one rotation of motor. 150 electric pulses, one rotation of motor, one rotation of lead screw. Lead is equal to P is equal to 5 mm. 150 pulses, 5 mm. So on your 5 pulses, 5 mm, one pulse, BLE. BLE is equal to 5 by 150 is equal to 0.033 mm. BLU, basic length unit, it is minimum distance that work table or tool can travel by sending one electric pulse. Machining accuracy is inversely proportional to BLU. Accuracy inversely proportional to BLU. That means if BLU is less, accuracy is more. For one electric pulse. BLU is also called as positional accuracy or positional error to accommodate a different there is a need to change the value of BLU. Methods to change BLU by changing the value of pitch. Now the pitch is reduced from 5 mm to 2.5 mm. Linear distance traveled by work table will also reduce, but still there is no change in electric pulses required for one complete rotation. Therefore, BLU will reduce. Like BLU will be almost half here. By next BLU, by installing gearbox of a reducing ratio between motor shaft and lead screw. Between motor shaft and lead screw, introduce a gearbox. Gear ratio is equal to half. Pulses displacement 2.5. One pulse BLU to BLU is equal to 2.5 or 150. That means pitch is 5. But displacement due to gearbox, it will reduce this 5 by 2. Frequency, total number of electric pulses generated with respect to time is called frequency of a pulse. For example, F is equal to 150 H, that is 150 number of electric pulses are generated in 1 second. When the frequency of pulse generated is doubled, the BLU will remain same. Frequency of pulse generator is doubled, BLU will remain same. BLU doesn't change. When frequency is doubled, BLU remains same. Feed rate will be double. Machining time will be half, and productivity will be doubled. Feed rate is equal to F into BLU. Feed rate FR is equal to F into BLU. F is a hedge. Double BLU remains same. Feedback device, it is displacement measuring device installed on a work table which measures the actual distance traveled by work table and send it as a feedback to CPU or MCU, and therefore when FBD is used as a system, it is called as a closed loop NC system, and it has better accuracy. Manual control input device, however, the highest device of automation is is achieved. Few tasks cannot be controlled machines themselves, and therefore to complete such task a human participant is required, called as manual control. Example, switching on and off the machine, download or delete the required program, looking for a sudden breakdown, and procedure maintenance. TRS tape reader system, punched paper tape 1 2 3 4 8, one complete block of information. One block number, 2 axis movement, 3 y axis movement, 4 z axis movement, 5 partly check or position check, parity check or position check, 6 and 7 numbers or numericals, 8 end of block. To eliminate the limitations associated with a tape reader system, a node process developed is called CNC. CNC, computer numerically controlled machine tool. Here a hand wire connected CPU of a NC machine is replaced by a mini computer, and therefore a new programming language is developed to communicate with machine called as CNC machine tool. Programming, mini computer, manual control input, CP mini computer plus CPU, motor, motion control system, PTP, point to point control system, XY, point to point metallic plate, point from this point to this point. Only end point movement of tool is important and path followed by the tool is not important. It is called PTP control system. Here only one axis movement of tool is sufficient. For example, drilling, reaming, boring, tapping, spot welding, punching and blanking. Here in the R feed, x-axis feed is equal to 30 mm per minute, y-axis feed is equal to 40 mm per minute, L is equal to root of 30 square plus 40 square is equal to 50 mm. R feed is equal to 50 mm per minute, R feed is equal to root of x feed square plus y feed square. Time is equal to distance by R feed, 50 by 50 mm is equal to 1 minute. Continuous path motion control, in addition to endpoint movement, path followed by tool is also important, and if it is a straight line path it is called straight line control system, whereas if it is a constant path it is called contour controlled system. Here tool is continuously in contact with workpiece and performs of machining operation simultaneously. Axis movement is axial. Straight line method, machining slot. Contour control system, a perfect shape of contour is highly impossible to produce. Between contour is constructed by many number of small straight line distance movement of a tool. The linear distance between two consecutive points on a contour is called interpolation. Smaller the interpolation distance, nearness to perfect contour can be constructed. The interpolation controls the feed rate of a tool across the axis. XY zoom interpolation. Interpolation, inside tolerance. Interpolation, outside tolerance. CNC programming. CNC programming. After introduction of mini computer, a separate programming language was developed which consists of typical G and M codes. G general purpose or preparatory codes. These G codes are always used to control the movement of tool required during any machining operation. M machine or miscellaneous code. These codes are used to control things related to machine which are also equally important for machining operation. G00 rapid transfers. The tool travels rapidly by taking the shortest path. This type of movement is controlled by G00. N01, G00, X5 means it goes rapidly to there. 01 means linear interpolation. G01 linear interpolation. When tool is traveling linearly while performing a machining operation, it is controlled by G01 linear interpolation. This is start, this is end, this is feed per minute in a straight line. G02 circular interpolation clockwise direction. G03 circular interpolation counterclockwise direction. For example, and G02 x5, this is start, this is end, this is radius. So depending on clockwise, if it is G02, it is like this will be center. If it is counterclockwise, this will be center and radius remains same. It will be like this, counterclockwise or clockwise. Depending on that, it will be like this. G70 English programming, when each and every coordinate dimension is measured in inches, it is called as English programming. For example, N0500, G70, G01, X5, LF. The tool is traveling in x direction linearly by 5 inches. Linearly by 5 inches. Metric programming, when each and every dimension is measured in it is called as metric programming. In India, metric programming is by default accepted. G90 absolute mode of programming, when each and every coordinate program point is measured with respect to only one reference or datum. It is called as absolute mode of coordinate system. In India, absolute mode of programming is by default accepted. XY and G90, G71. G90 means how everything is represented in absolute coordinates. These are all points directly taken. G91 incremental mode of programming. Current location of tool acts as origin for measuring the coordinate of next program point. This is called incremental mode of programming. Here, as the tool is moving from moving the origin or reference, also keeps changing or shifting. Last point is taken as reference. These are all questions. Which among NC operations given below are continuous part operations? Arc welding, milling, drilling is not continuous, punching is not continuous, sheet metal not continuous, laser cutting of sheet metal, laser cutting continuous, spot welding not continuous. G40 cancellation of tool radius compensation. G41 tool radius compensation left, G42 tool radius compensation right. G42 tool radius compensation right. That means it will move in till here. Here it will move till it here outside. G41 inside. Here right, here left. G04 dwell or delay stoppage of a tool for specific duration of time. G01, G02, G03 F used with these codes feed per minute. G04 M01 F time second. F time second. With G04 it is mandatory to mention time, while it is mandatory not to mention time period with G05. N095 G04 F40 or line feed or U40. G05 hold stoppage of a tool for unlimited or unspecific duration of time. G05 LF, G17 XY plane, G18 XZ plane, G19 YZ plane. Above mentioned codes are controlling the movement of tool in the respective planes X, Y, Z, G17, G19, G18. XY plane is G17. Machine or miscellaneous codes M00 stoppage of a machine for unspecific or unlimited period of time. Program or machine stop. M01 unplanned stoppage of machine for a specific duration of a time. M02 end of main program without use of a subprogram. M17 end of subprogram. MA30 end of main program written with use of subprogram. Subprogram when a separate program is written for performing a repetitive number of operations, it is called a subprogram. A program which is a subset of main program. Generally, a repetitive operations are drilling, rimming, bowing, counter boring, and etc. Every subprogram should start with capital L. Followed by name of program is given up to maximum of 64 characters. It can be only number or alphabet or a combination of both. SPF subprogram function is a file name extension given. SPF 64 max SPF to end M17 to end of subprogram. Main program when a program is written to manufacture a final finished component is called main program. Main program should never start with L, but name of program is allowed to given up to a maximum of 64 characters, which can be number or alphabet or combination of both. MPF maximum program function is the file extension given. Spark 2020 MPF 64 characters. M30 end of main program. canned G80 to 89. G80 cancel, G81 drilling, G82 counter, G83 deep hole. M03 spindle starts rotating in clockwise direction. M04 spindle starts rotating in counterclockwise direction. M05 spindle stop. Spindle sometimes represents a workpiece, whereas sometimes it represents tool. Machining center, it is the most advanced automatic CNC machine developed which is capable of performing all machining operations in a angle setup of a workpiece. ATC automatic tool change unit is installed in a CNC machine to support the tool change. Tool magazine is a place in a machining center where number of tools required for machining operations are installed. M075, M06, T14, LF. M07 coolant pump switched on first. ON1, M08 coolant pump switched on second. ON2, M09 coolant pump switched off. M10 clamping, M11 declamping. Transfer lines in automobile assembly. Number of assembly stations are arranged in a sequential manner to manufacture a final finished component. It is called as transfer lines. The transfer lines are used for material handling as well as material processing. There are two types of transfer lines available. Inline transfer line, when assembly stations or machining stations are arranged in a single horizontal line after the others, is called inline transfer line. This is only preference when assembly stations are higher in number. Rotary transfer line, when assembly stations are arranged round the table along circumference, it is called rotary transfer line. When assembly or machining are fewer in number, up to 15, the rotary transfer line is preferred for maximum utilization of a shop floor space. DNC, direct numerically control machine tool. In this process, number of individual NC machines are connected to a host computer which has bulk memory through LAN, local area network, or telecommunication wire. Each and every command for a machining operation is directly given one command at a time by host computer to an individual NC machine. It is called as direct numerical controlled tube. Host computer, bulk motion, LAN, CPU, NC1, CPU, and NC2. DNC, distributed numerically control. Here, host computer is connected to individual CNC machine by LAN or telecommunication wire. Now entire program and the required commands are directly distributed to individual CNC machine which has its own mini computer as CPU. Sometimes if number of individual CNC machines are connected to host computer is very high in number, there is a problem of traffic jam created. Host computer, CNC1, CNC2, LAN. ANC, adaptive numerically control. Now liberty is given to individual CNC machine to adapt on to select a optimum process parameters to satisfy the desired output machining condition. As machine is adapting to a new process parameter, it is called as adaptive numerically control machine tool. CIM, Computer Integrated Manufacturing. ASRS, Automatic Storage Retrieval System. It is a mechanized warehouse. AGV, Automatic Guided Vehicle. It is a manless transport system. CMM, Coordinate Measuring Machine. It is a device used for inspection purpose. Block of information in NC machine program means one complete instruction. Feed device in CNC milling machine are provided by servo motor. Pulses, 60 pulses for pitch. Number of pulses, x degrees is equal to 360 by number of pulses. What are components of NC machine? part program machine control unit. NC doesn't use a servo motor, it uses stepper motor. Interpolation of in the controller refers to control by which one of the following in a CNC machine. Axis of machine for contouring. Consider the following: a dedicated computer, bulk memory, telecommunication lines. Each of these is part of DNC, all three. Transformation can be defined as material process and material handling machines. Transform of graphic element to modify two-dimensional wire frame structure. Separate commands are developed called as transform of graphic elements such as translation, rotation, scaling, and reflection. The graphic elements are simply these dot lines, these lines.